Hey everyone, welcome back to World Best Solution 220. In today's video, we're diving into the newest and most exclusive codes for Roblox, 99 Night in the Forest. But before we jump into the rewards, there's something important you need to know. There is one hidden secret code inside this video, and trust me, this hidden code gives a reward that most players don't even know exists. So don't skip, or you might miss the best part. If you play 99 Night in the Forest or you love getting fresh working codes, then make sure to subscribe to the channel right now. I upload new codes the moment they come out, so you always stay one step ahead of everyone else. All the codes in today's video are brand new, and some of them work for a very limited time. That's why you should watch carefully. Skipping the video might make you miss the exact moment to activate them. A lot of players still don't know which codes are active and which ones are already expired. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know everything clearly. And remember that hidden code can appear at any moment. It's a little tricky to spot, but if you find it, make sure to comment below. Let's see who finds it first. Alright, no more waiting. Let's jump straight into all the new and fully working 99 Night in the Forest codes. Just keep watching till the end, because the codes start right after this. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon, so you never miss any new code updates. I'm so happy.
don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone